Ito yung viral recipe na worth it ulit-ulitin. Simple lang ang ingredients pero super sarap. Start by trimming the ends ng enoki mushrooms, then hatiin sa small sections. I-roll natin sa thinly sliced beef, pwede rin pork kung mas prepared nyo. For the sauce in a bowl, combine 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin, 1 tablespoon sugar, minced garlic, black pepper, 1/2 cup water. Next, chop onions, then saute until fragrant. Then set aside. I-sear na natin yung beef rolls, then sprinkle with salt and pepper, then flip na once nag-brown yung beef. Then ilagay na natin yung nakaset aside na onion. After a few minutes, ilagay na natin yung sauce. Kapag kumulo na, mag-scramble ng egg, then ilagay na sa pan. Top with cheese of your choice. Once melted na yung cheese, garnish with green onions and chili flakes for a little kick. Serve hot with hot rice. Sobrang sarap, uulit-ulitin mo talaga.